Do you like vehicles? Futuristic inventions? Then this is your video, because here we bring not only the future but also progress in its full glory. Among the top car accessories undoubtedly stands the tow step. Not only offers the convenience of easily attaching a trailer in seconds thanks to its removable center section, but it also provides an impressive 110-degree turning angle for trailers, exceeding industry standards. Its design allows for easy installation on any type of flange hitch, thanks to the bolts provided with the product. In addition to its easy installation, the tow step comes with all the necessary accessories to mount it to your hitch without complications. You can also choose the version with or without backup sensors, which adds an extra layer of safety and comfort while driving. Finally, the tow step's non-slip design provides greater safety when entering and exiting the vehicle, and it's available in 2 color options, black or yellow, to suit your aesthetic preferences or specific needs. But we don't stop there, because what comes next promises to exceed even the highest expectations. Prepare to be speechless. The R&D team has taken a step forward by developing a state-of-the-art mobile application specifically designed to get the most out of LED paddle shifter. This application not only provides real-time OBD data such as engine load and remaining oil level, but also offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows users to quickly access and understand important information about vehicle performance. In addition, the LED shifter provides a unique visual experience by clearly and accurately displaying the engine speed. The flashing lights are perfectly synchronized with the engine speed, giving the driver an instant visual indication of the engine status while driving. The ability to customize the light colors through the app allows users to tailor their visual experience to their individual preferences and driving style. On the other hand, the LED paddle shifter's built-in Bluetooth connectivity shares a stable and reliable connection with the mobile app, making setup and control easy from anywhere in the vehicle. Furthermore, thanks to its high-quality chip, users can rely on fast and uninterrupted data transmission between the shifter and the app. It's time to usher in a new era of automotive technology that will blow your mind. The automatic light synchronization system offers unparalleled convenience and eliminates the need for complicated programming. By simply removing the lights from the carrying case, the quick deployment system is automatically activated, providing instant, ready-to-use lighting. In addition, an integrated tilt sensor ensures that the light output is optimally adjusted to increase driver awareness, which is particularly useful in emergency situations or low visibility conditions. The mode memory feature is a valuable resource, saving light patterns, deployment sequences, and activation settings for the next time the system is used. In addition, pair mode provides the ability to synchronize one or more fixtures, facilitating coordination and uniformity of lighting across multiple locations. A one-touch battery status check gives users peace of mind, ensuring that the lights are ready to go when they're needed most. With an impressive autonomy of over 20 hours and a quick charge time of 6 hours using the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. If you thought what you just saw was impressive, hold on, because we're about to witness a world of difference that'll change our understanding of the universe or cars. Interested in cool stuff for your car? Enginevox specializes in the comprehensive production of high-precision electronic acoustic systems that emulate the operation of internal combustion engine exhaust systems. Enginevox systems are at the forefront of engine sound generation with exceptional precision. Every aspect of the acoustic design and sound tuning is meticulously crafted and customized for each vehicle model. Factors such as strategic placement of acoustic elements, system composition, and the specific acoustic characteristics of each car's chassis are considered. Enginevox systems are designed to provide a unique and immersive listening experience that complements the driving experience and reflects the unique identity of each vehicle. These systems represent the latest in engine sound technology, with a professional attention to detail that ensures optimal performance in all environments and driving conditions. Innovation doesn't stop here, because what lies ahead promises to take us into a completely new territory of technological advancements in the automotive industry. From cutting-edge lighting design to the implementation of interactive displays and smart surfaces, they offer automakers the opportunity to differentiate themselves in the market with unique brand signatures. Modular and configurable components not only allow for unprecedented customization, but are also cost-effective and efficient. At the same time, the powertrain, emissions, thermal, and chassis solutions are driving the transition to sustainable mobility. They improve vehicle safety, comfort, and agility while actively reducing environmental impact. These efforts are reflected in the numbers. 26.6% of electricity comes from renewable sources. Greenhouse gas emissions have been reduced by 6.3%, water consumption is down 11%, and 84.5% of waste is recycled. These numbers demonstrate commitment to a greener, more equitable future for all. Every invention brings us closer to an exciting future where the boundaries of automotive technology are constantly being challenged, and this one is no exception. Glasskins represents a new era in the world of automotive design for your car, taking innovation to a new level with the Rear Window Valencia concept. This product is more than just a window louver. It's an expression of cutting-edge style and personality for vehicles. Designed from digitally scanned CAD data, Glasskins ensures a perfect fit and optimal rear visibility, providing a sleek and aerodynamic appearance from any angle. Its aggressive and modern design redefines style standards in the automotive world, making a bold and distinctive difference in vehicle aesthetics. Manufactured with high quality and durable ABS, resistant to sunlight and temperature changes, marine grade and made with 30% recycled materials, Glasskins ABS parts come ready to install with a glossy black UV resistant finish that doubles as a paint-ready surface. I hope you're impressed, because that's the least you can do, because this is science fiction, just like our next product. If you own a Gen Y hitch, you've probably thought about how convenient it would be for others to have their own Gen Y Mega Duty, Phantom, Mega Duty, Snap Latch, or Torsion coupler. If you're not familiar, it's time to introduce you to one of the best car gadgets around. If you own a trailer that you'll use for towing or for your favorite hobby, you'll definitely want to keep watching. These rugged Gen Y locking pins are made of high-strength stainless steel and feature a unique double locking mechanism that makes them extremely difficult to tamper with. This also protects your hitch lock from thieves' tools, pliers. Not only do Infinite Rule Locks look great, they're corrosion resistant and represent the best hitch lock pin design we've ever come up with. What else is there to point out? Quality, because these stainless steel locks are made in the United States right here at the factory in California on Infinite Rule machines. In addition, these hitch pin locks are designed to have the same key using one key technology. This means they can provide you with keys forever, and you can use the same key for any Infinite Rule receiver hitch lock. But the most exciting is yet to come, as we prepare to unveil the next innovations that'll change the way we interact with our vehicles. It's time to introduce a great pack for your car. The WaterPort X Sea Sucker tank mount not only simplifies mounting the 4.0-gallon WaterPort water tank to your vehicle, but also provides a versatile and secure solution for carrying pressurized water wherever you go. Its three 6-inch suction cups provide a strong and reliable hold, allowing the tank to be flexibly positioned for easy access or stowed away when not in use. In addition, its detachable design makes it easy to store when not in use, adding convenience to your outdoor adventures. On the other hand, the 4.0-gallon WaterPort water tank is a convenient solution for having pressurized water at your fingertips. With a capacity of 3.85 gallons, this tank is ideal for a variety of uses, from cleaning equipment to staying refreshed during your outdoor activities. All in all, this water tank and mount combination gives you the freedom to enjoy pressurized water anywhere, anytime during your travels and expeditions. But if you liked that, get ready for what's next, because what Checkpoint has done is unlike anything else and leave you speechless. The Checkpoint provides a quick and visual way to detect any unusual movement in wheel nuts. By arranging the checkpoints in an easily recognizable pattern, such as point to point, any change in nut position is visible at a glance. This feature is especially useful during routine visual inspections, as it allows for quick and accurate identification of any wheel nut that may be loosening. In addition to their primary function of motion detection, checkpoints are designed to melt at a specific temperature. This additional feature serves as an early warning of potential overheating problems in the wheel or the application in which it's being used. This advanced warning feature can help prevent costly and dangerous damage by giving operators and technicians the opportunity to address problems before they become emergencies. With its simple yet effective design, the Checkpoint is an economical and easy-to-implement choice for any fleet. In addition, its quick installation and ability to adapt to a variety of applications makes it a versatile and reliable tool for maintaining safety on the road and in industrial environments. Were you surprised? Well, if you want more, subscribe and support our video so we can bring you more content.